and I felt like ki NIFT forgot to include this in the curriculum. I don't know, like, why do I not know this? Hi, welcome to Making It Barely. Okay, so this is a video series that I want to start, and I am really excited to have you guys here. Also, this is something जिसके बारे में मुझे चाहिए था कि कोई मुझे prepare करे, but nobody did. So this is my journey from a NIF student or a design student to actually running a fashion business, and what all you should do in between, or maybe you should, learn from my mistake. So that is something that I want to start in this whole series. Okay, so let me start by saying that in design college, all we used to do was sketching, concepts, designing, fabric swatches, sewing, understanding garment construction, and then, doing a photo shoot. And I think that was the extent of it. We used to go a lot deep into all the concepts and everything, but literally nobody told me about the business side of it. How do I start a business from ground up, or any idea of what all comes in as an aspect to start a business, or even if you're doing a
job, how do you get into that job and work properly with knowing the external aspects other than design? So that is something that the colleges miss. And I am not a student who wanted to do MBA, so I couldn't achieve that knowledge through education.
I had to learn it through my mistakes, and that is how it went. So back in college, I wanted to be a fashion designer who's working in a big fashion house when I want to take some experience. And uske baad I wanted to start in my own brand or become like this couture designer, or that basic dream that I think every fashion design student has. So that was what I had in mind. But after I graduated, the reality hit, and at different points of time I did a lot of internships, also did my graduation project. So I'll make a video about the internships and graduation projects and everything related to that differently, because it's a youth segment. But I was offered two jobs. One job was well paying, but it was not something that was my design style, or it was not in my niche. Another job was in my niche, but it was paying very less. So I don't know, I was not comfortable with that whole aspect, and I decided चलो खुद का अभी start कर देते हैं. And literally in one day, I became a founder, a CEO, a marketer, a graphic designer, a production manager, sourcing related someone. Literally every job that you can think of, I was everything at that point. और वो भी एक दिन में just it switched, and it became very overwhelming for me. और द थिंग इज कि तनोटी में जो भी यू कैन सी, लाइक फ्रॉम अ लोगो टू अ पैकेजिंग डिजाइन, लाइक हर एक चीज जो आप वेबसाइट पे देखते हो या मेरे पेज पे देखते हो, सब कुछ मैंने डिजाइन की हुई है. लाइक एवरीथिंग इज डन बाय मी. सो इट बिकेम अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क इन द स्टार्ट, एंड आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल इट. Okay, so I'll tell you a little story. In the starting phase of my business, once we got our GST number, उसके बाद एक invoice बनाना था, a tax invoice for Tanoti, and I started making that. उस टाइम पे like अभी भी logistics, invoicing, accounting, सब कुछ, like everything was done by me only. So I sat on my PC, and I remember just staring at the PC screen for a long time and not understanding what do I put in it. क्योंकि डालना क्या है इनवॉइस में, यहाँ से शुरुआत थी, एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक कि निफ्ट forgot to include this in the curriculum. I don't know, like, why do I not know this? I think that is one of the most necessary things that you need, but you don't know what is to be done for that. So I had to put in a lot of time to just learn a basic format of an invoice, which every other business has. So I figured out the hard way, literally did a lot of trial and errors, made a lot of mistakes, and literally a lot of endless nights, a lot of Google searches, बहुत सारी coffee, and finally like figured out how does this work. So I don't want anyone else to, put in so much effort to just find such simple things on maybe YouTube or somewhere else. So I'm going to try and fulfill that gap. So I'll tell you what all I learned. I learned how to do pricing, how to handle inventory, how to plan a social media strategy, how to run ads, how to create new designs which are, more customer centric, and a lot more things. So now everything is in a much better place. Now I'm handling everything properly. But I am only the one who has to create the content. I am only the one who has to understand ki kya strategy honi chahiye. You know, when it's a small one person business, I think you don't know how to be in these roles individually. Like कैसे आज मैं सोशल मीडिया स्ट्रैटेजी बनाऊँ, कैसे मैं प्राइसिंग भी कर लूँ और कैसे मैं इन्वेंट्री भी चेक कर लूँ. सो ये जो juggle hai, I feel that is something which is the tricky part and which makes you go a little crazy. Also, here's a thing that nobody will tell you again. This is a huge growing process, and by the end of maybe a long period of time, a year or something, you will be a completely different person. So when I started, or as a designer, I was a person who used to focus on creativity and visuals and more aesthetics and stuff like that first. But after becoming a founder or a CEO, the things that are most important to me today are systems, scalability, sustainability. These are the things that I'm looking for and gaining more knowledge about. And that is the gear that I shifted, I feel. And that is when I understood that, okay, this is what is needed to run a business, and not the create obviously the creativity part too, because that is what is my product. But like without this can't survive. So, fast forward to today, I am still making a lot of mistakes. I am still adapting to all the things that are there in the market. या फिर जो भी नया आ रहा है, I am trying to learn everything with time. But I think making mistakes is not a problem. Every time you make a mistake, I feel you're one step closer to getting it right. I don't know, I've heard this somewhere, but it sounds so perfect. कि हर बार मैं कुछ गलती करती हूँ, I make sure that this doesn't happen next time. So I know कि ये गलत है. So once you know, if you are in this world where you don't know what is right and what is wrong, you're just going to go towards something that is right. But if you know for sure 100% you've experienced it कि ये गलत ही है, कोई भी कुछ भी बोले तुम्हारे लिए तो ये नहीं workout किया है, so you will not do it again. I will also tell you about a few things that have happened to me which are in this sector जो नहीं एकदम no nos है, but again in a different video. Yeah, so I think that is how it has been for me. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, we are all just making it barely.